Hey, what's up guys? If you're looking for a solution how to translate your website into different languages, then stick around. In this video, I will review and walk you through an instant website translation tool which can translate your website into multiple languages. You don't need to know coding. You can set up language selection switcher in few minutes. Just copy and paste the JavaScript code directly into your website template or use widgets in your WordPress website. This plugin is known as a ConveyThis. ConveyThis can translate personal or professional websites, WooCommerce stores, blogs into more than 100 languages, and the list is still growing. ConveyThis works with most content management systems like WordPress, Shopify, Weebly, Joomla Wix, and so on. It's 100% Google SEO friendly. It's compatible with SEO plugins such as RankMath, Yoast, and other caching plugins. A big plus of this plugin is that user never leaves the original website. Instead, it's assigned alternative URL to the translated pages. With its content detection ability, you don't need to say what to translate. Once you install the language switcher, it will automatically detect website content and translate. It will detect and translate everything that is visible on your web page, including meta tags, keywords, titles and descriptions, AJAX, and image alternative tags as well. And if you're not satisfied with any part of this translation, you can edit this translation to match your own standards. You can customize the language switcher to match your website's theme, color scheme, or whatever the style you're using. So stick around. I will walk you through how to install this plugin, create your account, and set up free version of this plugin. In the later part of this video, I will also show you what you can do with the pro version of this plugin as well. My name is Mazhar, and at RightSolutions, I create tutorial for all you DIY people. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification for my next video. Now, without any further ado, let's continue with this video. Let's head to the WordPress dashboard. So here I'm using one of my tutorial website to demonstrate this free version of this plugin. So let's go and install this plugin. So I head to the plugin menu here and click on Add New. And here, just search for the plugin called ConveyThis. So this is the plugin here. Right now, this plugin has about 1,000 installation, and it is still picking up. You can see the last update is about 1 week ago. So they're still picking it up, and it's a very good plugin. I'm actually using it on my website. So just let's go and install this plugin now. Click on Install Now, and as soon the plugin is installed, just click on Activate as well. And it will bring a new menu option in your dashboard here. So just look at the left side, almost close to the bottom here. So it says ConveyThis. So just click on this ConveyThis menu item here, and you can just see that this plugin has its own dashboard. So it is just showing you on the top of the screen. ConveyThis plugin is installed but not yet configured. So you have to configure this. So to configure this plugin, so we just need to get the API key from the ConveyThis website. So it's very simple. Click on this hyperlink provided in your dashboard here. So just click on this. It will take you to the website where you can create your own app. So here, just fill out all this information here about your name and your email address, and of course select a strong password. And at the same time, you can also just tell them how did you hear about this. So just let's click on YouTube, because if you're using this plugin by watching this video, so just say that you heard about it from the YouTube. So just agree to their terms and conditions and click right now. And this confirmation page is just saying that go and confirm your email address. So just let's go ahead and check our email. And if there's something wrong, so you can just always write them an email about their support. So just let me check my email account, which I had actually subscribed with this. So just this is the email here. So if you just go a little higher, so you can just see that it say activate your account here. So just click on this hyperlink here, and it will just take you to this browser again, and it will show you that congratulations, your account has been activated. You will be redirected to the dashboard in 5 seconds. So you can just see that it already redirected us. So this is the place where you can just add in your URL. So let me copy. I already have copy, I think, on my notepad. So just type your URL here, or maybe copy from your website where you're working at. And then here, the next item, you have to select which technology your website is built on. So our is on WordPress. So just select the WordPress, the next step here. So just click on this next step here. And now this actually also has a beautiful tutorial for you. I mean, a step-by-step guide how you can just activate this plugin, and then after that you can just copy the how to configure, and then you can just paste here the API key. So now let's go click on the next step here. So it will finish the actually the activation of your apps, and now you have to go back to your WordPress dashboard here. So click on this button here. It will bring you back to your dashboard here. Now find your API key and click on this copy button here, and it will just copy your API key here, and just say OK, and now go back to your dashboard, and this is the place where you just need to paste your API key which we just copied. So paste this here, and now go to the next option, which we need to select the source language. Of course, it's a tutorial website. It does not have full text, but I have some headings here, so it is built in English. So let's go and write down here English and select this language. And the targeted languages, you can just select here as you know that free version had some limitations. It just give you 3 languages to test, and just let's go and select our first language, possibly let's say French maybe. So just type French here, maybe select from the list here. So just click on French, and then maybe the second language, possibly let's see, maybe you can select some South Asian language, or maybe Arabic. Okay, so let's get Arabic here, and maybe the next one, which one? You can select any other language, possibly let's go and select Russian. Okay, so now we have selected all these 3 languages here. Let's go and see how it previews. If you click on it, it will just show you how your menu will look and how the languages will be shown on your website. So let's go and see some more options here. If you just click on this show more option button here, and it will open up some more configuration for you. So just generally redirect visitor to the translated pages automatically based on your user browser settings. Select it to yes, and then you can just say that this feature, the next one, this feature is available only with the Pro version, so that if you just don't want to show their logo, so you can just upgrade yourself. And the next also is showing translate media, adopt images, specific languages, leave it as no. And then also you can, next option tells you to translate the PDFs. You can select if you want to, otherwise just let it be. And then also asking about the change in the text direction from left to right or vice versa. You can change if you want, otherwise we'll just keep it as no. And then about the SEO plugin, this is very important actually. Select add to the all pages. You can leave it off if you don't want to. Some pages like maybe a privacy policy or something. The next setting, customize languages. Languages in select box show, of course. And then the languages in menu, you can just add these languages into your top menu or footer menu, or maybe in your widgets as well. So just click on this item here, appearance and menu. It will take you to the menu in your dashboard. So you can just click on this ConveyThis button and add the URL and add to your menu. And the same thing you can just do with the widgets here. If you click on this appearance and widget hyperlink here, so it will take you to the widgets settings here. So in the widgets here, you will just see you have ConveyThis widget shown here. So you can just click on this pull down menu and add it to the place of your choice, or maybe just simply drag it and drop it wherever you want, but we will just not do it here. It's just a tutorial site. I'm just showing you how you can do this. So let's go down here, and you can just see styling of flag, how it should appear. Rectangle flag is shown as a default. You can change it to square flag, and then you can also change it to circle, and without flag if you just want to display the language, but we'll keep it to the rectangle flag here. And then also you can you can also set the text if you want the language name to be shown full, or maybe short, or maybe without text. You can just leave only flag, but we'll just keep into the full text mode. So then the background color of the widget, so you can just change this to match your theme. So you can just go and change the color, and it will just change the colors there. So just let's go back to the white here. So now then the background color of the widget on hover, so you can just change the hover. Now you can see it's sort of little grayish, but we'll just leave it as it is. And then you can change all the border color and the text color as well. And then also you can change the corners of the widget itself if you want to make it circular or rectangular. And then the position, if you want to just change the position where it should be, you want to keep it as a fixed position, or you just want to keep it as a customized position. Maybe if you're adding into widgets, so you can change this position here. So then go down here into the next setting, says about vertical location of the language button here. You can just select it on the top. Right now it is on the bottom. You can select it on top, and then also you can change the horizontal location of the language selection button as well. You want to display on the left side or maybe the right side, it's your choice. And then you can change the indenting also, how far it should be from the from vertical and horizontal position. You can change accordingly. And then the URL structure, it will redirect the visitors to the selected language code directories. And subdomain option is available. Of course, it's in beta, and you have to upgrade the plan if you want to change it. And the next option is the changing of the flag. You can change the flag of the language if you want to. So just let's go and change our flag from English US to Canadian. I'm in Canada, so just look for the language, which language you want to change. So the English flag, and here in the flag we'll just look for Canadian flag, so just type Canada. So now here you can see it's already changed. So after doing this, you also have an option if you don't want any part of your website to be translated. So you can just add the URL of that specific section or page or whatever you want to be exempted from the translation. So it will just add there. As you click on add, it will keep on giving you more placeholder for more URLs if you want. And after doing this, you can just click on save changes, and here we are. Language switcher has been set up. So let's go and visit our website. So just click on visit site here and open in a new tab. And now you just can see that we already have this language switcher here. Clicking on it will show you what languages we have. We have French, we have Russian, and we have Arabic here. And let's go and change it to Russian language first here. And that's it. Look at this. It takes few seconds to just change all the items. You can just see your menu items had been changed, and your heading is been changed. Your buttons text is changed. All these headings which is placed above the pictures here all changed. And let's see on the footer menu here, everything is changed. Even you can just see credentials on the footers also been translated. So let's go and change it to the French language now. So let's see. And here we are. If you can just see that it's shifted to the other language now. And let's see the Arabic language, which is possibly. Yeah, that's it. You can just see that how long it takes to just translate everything. And well, you see, forget my my Arabic pronunciation. So it just shows you how quick you can change the language of your website. So let's go back to the English language here, and that's here we are now. Let's go and try to change our button from the bottom and see how it looks on the top. So just select the top here and go to save changes here. And now you can just refresh your page here, and you will just see that button will move here, and you can see that it is gone onto the top of your page on the right side here. You can just shift to the left side, or you can just shift to the left bottom. It's your choice. So, but we will just go back and switch it back to the bottom right here. So just go and select this bottom here and save changes as well now. So now after this here, if you just let's say you must be wondering that where your translation is. So just let's click here. You can just see that where are my translations. So there's a button here. So click on this button. It will take you to your app dashboard here, and here you can just see the information, somehow the summary of what languages you have had on. So source languages as in English, and the target languages have French, Arabic, and Russian. And if you click on my translations here, and it will open up this page here, and now here it shows you that you need to upgrade to edit your translation here. So let's go and log out from this dashboard here, and as well to this tutorial website as well. Let's log me out from here, and we will get to my website, and I'll show you the functionality of pro version of this plugin as well. So here I'm logging into my website here, and if you see down at the bottom, I got the same ConveyThis. So clicking on this will bring me to my dashboard here in my ConveyThis plugin dashboard. So you can see that I have installed already 3 languages. So let's go and look for a few more languages. So let's install Russian first, and maybe one more, possibly let's say Polish. Okay, so let's select this one, and one more language. Maybe let's go and select Azerbaijan. So let's say now we got all these languages. Of course, I have the limit of this 6 languages. So now go and save the changes, and after saving changes to my website here, so let's go and visit my page here. So clicking on the wizard website, so you can just see that in my switcher here, now we got almost 5-6 languages here. So let's go select one of the languages to see how quick it translates. So clicking on Arabic, and you can just see that it takes few seconds, and here we are. And you can just see, if you pay attention on the top URL here, showing me AR, which is the code for Arabic language here, keeping my visitors on my website, just directing it to the subdirectory here. So you can just let's go and try changing the language again. And here you can just say that if you just go switch it to Urdu, and now maybe let's go and select the other language, Polish maybe. So it will take few seconds. Let's see. Yeah, here we are. So you can just see that it is also showing the PL, which is the code for the Polish language. So let's switch back to the English language and go back to the dashboard here, and let's see how we can edit my translations. So just coming back to the dashboard, click on to edit my translation here. And now let me log in with my account here. So just clicking, so here it is. So this is the app dashboard for my ConveyThis plugin. So you can see that I have installed the 6 languages of all the 6 which I'm allowed. And the next one, you can just see that used words here. So I have 29,522 out of 200,000 words here, and then the total page views as well, and then the grade of reviewed translation. So let's go back to our domain here. So just click on domains, and you can just see that here I got English as a source language, and then I have French, Arabic, Urdu, Russian, Polish, and Azerbaijan. Yeah, so now let's go and click on to the my translations here and see how we can translate this. And after coming to this page here, it will show you the list of all your pages on this website, and you can actually select the language of your choice here. So just see whatever language you want to work with or you want to edit. So just from this pull down menu, you can change it. So let's go select one of these languages, maybe Urdu here. And now you can just see that there's an option for you, edit translation and visual editor, and then the other option, order professional translation here. So let's go and click on to the one of these pages here. Anyone you want to select, you can just select here. So click on text editor here. So just clicking on this, it will open up the page for you. So it will just show you all these fields, how they've been translated. And if you're not happy with any, you can just change whatever you want to change. I mean, you want to use your friend's help, or you just want to use a Google Translator, or maybe if you're having a specific slang in your language and you know how it sounds about this specific word or sentence, you can just change it here. As you can see that we have multiple pages here, and depends on the size of your website. If, for instance, let's say you have a blog and you just don't know how many pages are getting added on your blog post here, so you can just possibly run out the allowed words, but they have also an option for you. So you just simply can go and select click on this words here, and it will just show you you can buy extra words or one-time payment only. So it just tells you about $10 you can buy about 2,500 words, and then about some 100,000 words, and then some 25,000 words, and you can select as much as you want. It's a one-time payment, as they're saying, and it will possibly allow you for the rest of the subscription. Now you're wondering how to know how many words are on my website here. So they're actually giving you a very good tool here. So if you just click on Get Started, and it will open up a word count option for you here. So just paste the URL of your website, whichever the website you are actually working on. So just let me put my tutorial site here. So just click on Go here, and it will take a while. It will start counting each page and the words on this page, and mind you, it will also calculate all the tags, descriptions, and the alternative tags for all your pages. It takes a while to translate. I just skipped this video because I got about 26 pages on this tutorial site, and it counts about 3,139 words, and it shows me the number of words on each page. So if you think that you just really need to buy some extra words, so you can just do this way. So now let's go back and look into our dashboard here, and click onto the domains, and look into a glossary here. Now this glossary here, that you can actually assign some rules. How do you want to translate the specific word, or if you don't want to even translate this word. So you got these two options here. Clicking on this pull down menu will show you that two options here: don't translate and translate as. So just let's try say don't translate. So let's say let's pick Elementor, because what you want to translate this Elementor. So let it be Elementor as it is. So just type the word and just say save new rule, and you will see that there's one rule added at the bottom here. Let's add another one, say WordPress, don't translate the WordPress as well. So we have already added 2 rules here, and click down and now say translate as, and let's take their name, ConveyThis. We don't want ConveyThis to be translated, but we actually want this to be translated as. Let's convert it to the all caps here. So just copy and paste this here. Save a new rule, and now you can just see that 3rd rule has been added again. So now this ConveyThis will be translated as caps, and then the WordPress will not be translated. The Elementor will not be translated. You can change the languages if you want. We selected for all the languages, so let it be unified. So, but we don't want to keep this ConveyThis as it is. So let me delete this here. I just want ConveyThis to be ConveyThis, and we can delete this. But I think let WordPress be as it is. So let's go back, click on domains here. And now let's click on my translations again and select the Arabic language, and let's see how the visual editor works now. So just click on visual editor here, and it will open up the page here, and of course it will load a page in the language you selected. Let's go select any of these pencil icons on any text you want to edit. So just clicking on this will open up a translation pop-up window for you, so you can just change the languages. The English text, the original text is there, and then you can type the text, or maybe copy and paste whatever you want to change. You can just change it and then save changes, and after that you can I'm closing it because I don't want to change. I'm not very good in Arabic here, and then you can just try the other one as much you want to change. And this widget is very fluid. You can just drag it and move it if it's on your way. Just it comes in, hinders you like this here, so you can just see that you can just move it here. Now after you're done this, you can just click on finish editing, and it will save your changes, whatever you had done. And now let's go back and see another option here. So clicking on this, and this is what if you are working with a language which you don't know, and no friend of yours can help you with this. So you can actually order professional translation here. So just select any of the language you want and click add to the cart here, and it just go through all these pages, whatever the page you want to, and then it will add into your shopping cart. So you can just see here, clicking on shopping cart, you can just see that it is adding this page here, professional translation from English to Arabic, and the word count and the cost also is estimated, but I'm not going to place this order. So let's go and delete this and empty my cart here. So okay, so my cart is empty now. So let's go back on my domains here, and now you can just see that you can also add one rule here to exclude pages. It's very similar to the rules which we added. So you can just simply add the URL of the page, and thereafter from this pull down menu it will show you where to start, where to end, and contain what and equal to what. So you can set the rules. The examples are given on here. And now let's go back, clicking on domains here, and now let's one thing, as we mentioned, that you can remove this ConveyThis icon. So let's go and see how to remove this one here. So if you just go back to the dashboard, and on this dashboard click on see more options here, and just go and say hide ConveyThis logo. So just after this just save the changes, and now if you can just refresh this page here, and you will just see that this logo is disappeared. So the ConveyThis logo has disappeared. Now, as we're done with this, let's go and take a sneak peek to the plans which they offer and the prices of this. So just click on to come back to the dashboard, and click onto the plans here. So it will just show you all these options and what you can do with this. There's a free trial, of course, with the 3 languages, then the unlimited number of words, and then unlimited monthly page views. And then you got a business $15, and then the mine which I have pro, it's about $45. So there are so many options here. So you can just go through and see what is the suitable plan for you if you want to. And if you decided to buy this plugin, I have an affiliation link in my bottom here, so it will not affect your price, but it will give me some commission to support my channel here. So anyway, guys, I think I have briefly explained how this plugin can really be fruitful for your website and for your business, and increase your traffic from different countries and different languages. If you think that video is helpful, don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you with next video next time. Stay safe, stay home.